First up, I'm using the CoverGirl Simply Ageless, and this is like one of my perfect colors. And I really like this because it kind of dries matte, but it doesn't look like crap. I don't know. It doesn't look like too thick and cakey. I'm into it. It covers like my freckles and my redness and my little pimp I got going on. Then I'm going to take the Rimmel Stay Matte. I love this concealer. I like that it covers up imperfections, but again, it's not too thick and too heavy on my skin. And it kind of leaves me looking a little dewy. Then I'm going to take the Crown palette. This is super inexpensive. I think this whole palette's like $9.99. Take this sandy shade and I'm going to put it all over my eyes. Basically, I'm going to do it above my crease and then I'm going to do it into my lower lid as well. And I'm going to bring it so it connects to my nose so that it kind of evens out with all the bronzer and everything. And this is just going to bring my eyes kind of some life so it doesn't look so hollow and white. Then I'm going to take this lipstick by Maybelline and I'm going to create just a little bit of a wing. This looks really red, but it does have like a lot of undertones of coral. So in person, it definitely looks more coral, but this is going to help the shadow stick to that line so that I have that really fun winged liner. So I'm just going to make sure that I use a really tiny little brush and I'm just going to pack it onto where I have that creamy liner. That way everything sticks. And I'm using a little CoverGirl setting powder and I really like this because it kind of just sits right on top of my pores and really gives me that airbrush look. And I love it. It gives me lots of full coverage. And then I'm just going to push this all over my skin and really pack it on. I really like that. It doesn't look cakey again. And it just makes my skin look pretty airbrushed and flawless. So I really like it. And it matches up the color of my skin really well. Then I'm taking the Rimmel powder and I'm just going to pop this underneath my eyes and the points of my face that I want to look a little more bright. Then I'm taking the Revlon So Fierce mascara. I love this mascara. It doesn't stain my eyes and it doesn't make my eyelashes all clumpy, and then when I take it off have like half of my eyelashes fall out, so I really like it. Then I'm taking this Revlon lip gloss, which I love. It's just so pretty, so vibrant, and I love that it doesn't clump up and give me like them white balls on my lips. Then I'm taking the Pixie Glow palette, and I like that there's a little bronzer in this and highlight and blush kind of all together. So I'm just going to pop this all over my face and kind of bring it back to life and give it more of that glow to it so it's not so matte. So I hope you guys like this video and I'll see you soon.